In today's video, I will walk you through how to enable QR code or Wisetag on your Wise account. Before we jump into this quick tutorial, tap the link in the description below to follow along, and let's get started. First, open your Wise account and look at the top of the screen. Click your profile picture or initials to access your account options. Look for your unique handler, your Wisetag, which usually starts with an @ symbol. If you haven't claimed one yet, Wise will prompt you to create a custom username. Make it simple, professional, and matching your brand name if you're a freelancer. Once set, your Wisetag acts as your universal handle, allowing anyone to send you money securely without needing your actual bank details. You can also access your personal QR code. Right alongside or underneath your Wisetag, you'll see a QR code option. Tap it to generate your unique code. Whenever someone wants to pay you in person, it's completely contactless, lightning fast, and eliminates any human error when typing numbers. Share it anywhere. You can screenshot your QR code, add it to the bottom of digital invoices, print it for your physical storefront, or hit the share button to copy your link straight into a text, email, or chat app. That's how easy it is to upgrade your payment setup on Wise. If this quick guide helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech and finance tips. See you next time.